Hey Perla, do your first grade students struggle with comprehension?
Yes, Noemi, and I think it may be related to fluency, one of the comprehension factors.
We learned in our Read 3384 course that when students struggle with reading mechanics, there is no mental energy left to devote to comprehension.
Didn't we also learn that one of the best ways to improve fluency is to model it?
Yes, but how are we supposed to model fluency to all of our students if we want them to read books that they find interesting? There is only one of me and 22 of them.
Hey, there is that website called Epic.
That's right, each student can pick a book and read along. That will model fluency and ensure comprehension.
Once you set up your free Epic account for educators, you have the ability to add students. So I added some of them. You can add some more if you want to. You can also customize your home screen. You can select your reading level system. I chose DRA, but there are different ones you could go with. Then you can also select the topics that you will be using according to the grade level you choose. You can go to different books. You can explore books. You can also search books. I'm gonna go on explore more, and I'm actually gonna search. I'm gonna search for Pete the Cat. It's one of my favorites. And we will be using Rocking in My School Shoes. This particular book is a read-along, so your young students can see fluent or hear fluency, listening skills.
Rocking in my school shoes.
If you noticed, as the book is being read, the words pop up so your students can follow along. They can listen to the fluency and therefore they can have better comprehension. Once you get towards the middle or the whole entire book is being read,
Pete is sitting at his desk when his teacher says,
there was a little bit more of that. So it is great for fluency. Again, it's got a great voice. Once the student finishes the book, they're going to get points, and that is a great motivator for young students. So that's the fluency part of it. You can also test their comprehension by creating a quiz for them. So the students will click on Start the Quiz. We have previously created one, so there's one ready. Here is a question: who is the main character of the story, or who is the story about? So they're going to take that little quiz. Once they are done, you will get a notification with their grade, so you can see how well they comprehended the book. On the home page, you can assign books for specific students as an assignment. You can also do a class to where you assign to the whole entire class what book you want them to read. And that is Epic.